I'm one of the earliest business graduates at AUIS. I also pursued my MBA here, and I further continued my doctorate in Paris School of Business in France. Now I'm back at AUIS teaching business courses like entrepreneurship, marketing, international management, and customer behavior.
At AUIS, I teach operations management, strategic leadership, and ethics. In all these courses, we try to prepare our students with the best theories, concepts, and experiences to prepare them for the work environment in the whole country and abroad as well.
In my classes, students learn about the best practice approach to managing organization and have the opportunity to reflect on the local context, exploring issues related to diversity and inclusion, discrimination, mental health, globalization, and corporate social responsibility.
These experiences increased our confidence and opened a wide range of opportunities for us. Ever since I graduated, I have worked in different fields of business and multiple positions. Right now, I'm a student services associate and a daytime dorm supervisor.